In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Lottiefiles plugin for Figma. Lottie animations for Figma. Start by opening your Figma file and navigating to the frame or screen where you want the animation to appear. Having the target frame selected makes placement easier and keeps your workflow tidy. Next, open the plugin search by pressing Ctrl+/. In the search bar, type Lottiefiles. When you see the plugin, click Run. The first time you use it, you'll be prompted to sign in to your Lottiefiles account. It's free to create and you'll need to be signed in to access all features. Once you are authenticated, the plugin panel will load inside Figma. Now it's time to discover animations. In the plugin, go to the Explore tab. Use keywords that match your concept, things like loading, success, or confetti to quickly narrow results. You'll find both free and premium options. Clearly labeled. Click into any animation to preview it, and take a moment to assess its pacing and style so it fits your design's tone. Before you insert anything, look for the color customization controls. Many animations let you tweak the color palette right in the plugin. Adjust primary and accent colors to match your brand or the palette in your current design. This is the easiest place to align visuals without extra editing later. Because Figma doesn't natively play Lottie JSON files on the canvas, the plugin inserts animations as GIFs. That means they'll display and loop in prototype mode. When you are ready, select your animation and click Insert as GIF. Choose the size that best fits your frame. Picking an appropriate size here helps maintain image quality and toggle transparency if you want the animation to blend seamlessly with your background. Enabling transparency is great for overlays or when the background isn't pure white. After insertion, the GIF will appear on your canvas. Position it where you need it. Align it with your layout and make sure it sits inside the correct frame. To see it in action, select the frame and click the play or present button in Figma. Your animation will loop in the prototype, giving you a realistic sense of timing and interaction. That's all you to it. Thanks for watching.